What's up everybody, Black Dragonrider here, how you guys doing? Hope you guys having an awesome time, a lovely Sunday. Well, for me it's actually a fun Sunday because a friend of mine got himself a new PC. He actually bought a PC from me and he wanted me to check if everything is okay with the PC that he bought, my old PC. And we had some few problems with the PC, and we were literally, I don't know, like an hour or something like that. The problem is that every time we turn on the PC, it's nothing come on screen. So we were trying to figure out the problem of it, but we managed to sort it out. But it was funny. It was funny. We're like, yes, it freaking did it. We freaking did it! But end of the day, we celebrated with a cup of tea. Funny, really funny. But it was just one problem though. But I mean, I love building PCs and that, but when it's like troubleshoot, you just figure out, man, what is the problem? Why you not working? It must be something I did wrong, or your friend did something wrong, and you both of you just like scratching your heads and try to figure out what have you done wrong. And when you figure out the problem and guessing, take some parts out, figure out if is it the memory, is it this and that, and we managed to sort it out eventually. That's the only good thing, and we sorted it out. Fucking awesome. Fucking awesome. Just on my way to the petrol station, and I'm sorting out another problem from my friend as well. Well, it's not another problem, it's one of the hard drives, because one of the hard drives got a data on, and I said to my friend, you know, let me take the hard drive home and I will format it. But I also asked him if there's any data on there that could be important. He says nah. So let's go to a petrol station, fuel up, and then go home, and then after when I finish formatting, and get some few things like the instruction books for the graphics card, the instruction books for the RAM cooler and other stuff as well, and just drop it off at his house, just in case that in the near future, if there's something wrong with the certain components, then he's got the instruction books and other stuff. But I always keep the box, the original box, the instruction books. I never throw it away. So I'm kind of like a hoarder or something like that. But if I'm ready to sell something, I always make sure that I keep the original box. I wish the petrol station had a toilet. Right, better go home and sort this hard drive out. I mean, I love building PCs and I wish I could have my own business, but the problem is, when people turn around and say, why you never start a business? And I says, I don't know where to start. Do you know how to start a business? I'm like, no. And I said, well, what's the point of telling me to start a business where you don't know how to start a business? I mean, if I know how to start a business and I tell someone, oh, well, you have to start a business, I don't know what to start. Well, I can help you with that. It makes sense. It makes sense. You know, building, you know, gaming PCs, like building gaming PCs. I mean, I love building PCs. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, like pinning it all together. Because I want to build my next gaming PC and make it much better than before. But it's just saving up money and, you know, building a PC. I know what processor to get, motherboard, graphics card. I can keep the graphics card. hard drive. Well, actually, I don't need a new hard drive. But yeah, but the problem is, I was going to get myself a new graphics card. But since that the graphics card now it's just so expensive of Bitcoin mining, freaking assholes. Yeah, I was like, yeah, I can't get the graphics card I want, because I was planning to, I know, pay it off bit by bit, but I need to pay off my hard drive, because I'm paying it off bit by bit. I think I got about £190, excuse me, £190 left. Yeah, I don't mind having my own business, building gaming PCs, and I am interested in building gaming rig PCs for other people, or build a business PC and then they just buy it off me, but just tell me what specs, something like that. But the problem is, I just got nowhere to start. That's the only problem when you want to build a PC, so you don't know where to start. But then when you go on the internet, to just to find out how to start a business, it's just so much of them, and some of them are like a little bit confusing. For me, it is like, you know, meet someone who knows how to open a business and, you know, start from there. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here, as my mate, I'm going to my mate's house to finish sorting out the computer, and I'll speak to you in a bit. Bye bye.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come